Hi, I'm Cole Tomerlane with Tomerlane Insurance. This week, for TI's tips, we're going to be discussing scheduling. I briefly touched on it last week in the video over renter's insurance, but I had a few customers contact me and tell me they were unsure of what exactly scheduling an item was. So, if you have a regular homeowner's policy and you have an expensive item, you would need to schedule it as an extra endorsement on this policy. If you have $100,000 worth of coverage and you schedule the $10,000, you now have $110,000 worth of coverage. That $10,000 item does not go against your beginning $100,000. The reason you would do this is if you have expensive jewelry or silverware or art or firearms, anything like that, there's going to be limitations on it, which would make the item you have not fully covered. Jewelry, for example, there's going to be $500 to $1,000 cap on all of your jewelry you have that you would lose in apparel. So you would get the appraised value of your expensive jewelry and sit down with your insurance agent and schedule these items out individually, so you would get the full replacement value of these items um, in case of a loss. The other benefit to this is you're covered for all perils all over the world. So we have had some of our customers who have been fishing before and their ring slipped off and they searched for the ring for hours. They were unable to find it and their item was scheduled, so it was covered. If you just had a regular homeowner's policy, this would not be the case, and you also would have a high deductible, probably higher than $1,000 allotted to jewelry anyway. So it is much better to schedule your items, talk to your agent, tell them what kind of expensive things you have, and see what they recommend. But if you have any questions over today's video, feel free to call me, 903-806-3338, or email me at cole@tomerlane.com. I'd love to help you out and sit down and discuss this further. Thank you. Happy March 9th to all those SAEs out there. Phi Alpha.